order is not excessive. Supplier patterns. Can you name a product where the price is different?
Miss Samsung and iPhone po.
Thank you for that.
Good morning! I'm just kidding, it's freaking 2:30 something p.m. and in today's video, I was supposed to do like a productive day in my life video, but since it's already in the afternoon, welcome to a day in the life of a finance major in college vlog kind of thing. So besides online classes, I really have no idea what I'm gonna do today, so I have you with me and I'm gonna take you along. I am filming my intro while my class is at the background. This is my financial modeling class. Actually, it's very practical because it's all of Excel, you know, pivot tables, stuff like that. You know, finance things. Okay, I'm gonna go to class now.
Then turn off your filter function. So we're now left with the price and price to book ratio. Know that it's a merge cell. So you want merge cell C1 and
Alright, I just finished my class and welcome to my confession room. Kaya 2 points for introduction. I just changed, took a bath, did my makeup so that I would feel put together, you know. Alright, so I decided to clean the condo, clean some dishes, a lot of dishes, bat rack, water some plants, do some homework. Probably, no, I'm just kidding, I'm gonna do my homework. Okay, today is adult mode, and that's starting off with tying my hair in a bun. You know, shit's about to go down. Humans. Okay, for real though, cleaning is very tiring. It's been a while. Okay, it's not that much, like 20 minutes. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. Pizza! I want a pizza! Actually, I'm not that hungry. I just want a smoothie because duh, nalipas na naman ako ng gutom. So, I'm just gonna make a smoothie right now. It's something easy to make, you know, like on the go. As if I'm going anywhere. We don't know. We don't know where life takes us. Welcome to my kitchen. Actually, this is just a countertop and this is wet. Anyway, so I'm just gonna make an easy green juice smoothie. It's just bananas, pineapples, and I don't have green, so I'm putting this Teamy Green Superfood blend that has 16 superfoods like matcha, wheatgrass, kale, spinach, all that good stuff. Promote natural energy levels and support regular digestion, and I'm loving it, like in my smoothie bowls, smoothie, green juice, anything. If you want to try them out, just click on the link below and use my code marga20 to get a 20% discount on your purchase. And thank you, Teamy, for collaborating with me in this video. Hi friends! Okay, so we got a package from Penny Pairs, which is so crazy because I love their brand so much. They're a sustainable jewelry brand and I've always wanted to buy gold jewelry from them because apparently gold jewelry matches my skin tone because I'm warm tone, but they're kind of pricey since they're sustainable. But when they messaged me, I was like, whoa, oh my gosh, they want to send me a PR package. So like, oh my god, this is so crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from them and try them on. So most of the pieces that I got from them are gold. Actually, I chose a lot of gold pieces because they match with almost every outfit. Oh my gosh, and they come in this really cute box. Very YouTuber of me to do. Oh my god. Yeah, so it says Penny Pairs. They sent me their new gold heart studs that they're launching today, and if you're watching this, maybe they launched it already yesterday, but they are just small heart stud earrings. It's like as small as a baby's earring during their first ear jab. Kind of makes me feel like I want to get a new piercing, lol. And I also got these rectangular hoop earrings that I've been wanting kind of for so long because I've been seeing them like everywhere. Next is I got a ring. If you like it, then you should put a ring on it. I'm not usually a ring person, but this is just a simple gold banded ring. But as soon as I saw this, like, I'm gonna start stacking rings up on my fingers. So elegant. Lastly is this Isla necklace. I think it's called Isla because it gives that super beachy pearl vibes going on. It's just a simple pearl necklace with gold charm at the end. It's very simple and perfect for layering necklaces and completing your whole outfit. Oh my gosh, I have new staple jewelry for every outfit that I'm probably gonna wear. Alright, we have finally reached the point that I have been avoiding. This whole video is fixing my rack. Well, technically the clothes here are not all mine because they're from the laundry. So when they're washed, we don't dry them because they're gonna shrink. So we just hang them here. These aren't my clothes, these are my parents' clothes apparently. This isn't clean. So that goes in the laundry. So the reason why that the clothes are just like, you know, hanging there, swinging like a wrecking ball or something, well, that's because I had an online fitting last week. It was so crazy because it was online and I felt like I was my own stylist, you know, mixing and matching a lot of my clothes to fit the mood board that they sent. So that was kind of crazy, you know? Okay, so I have this paper bag full of clothes that I need to alter that I haven't altered in like a few months already. So that's just sitting there on the floor. And then I have these eco bags for laundry. So yeah, that's it. We're just gonna fix everything and then we'll just dive in. Ow. It's gonna bruise. So I didn't have a system when I started removing everything from the hanger. So now everything is on top of this eco bag. And okay, so plan time. My mom's and dad's clothes, I'm gonna remove it from the hanger and fold it and put it in their closet. While my clothes, I'm gonna change the hangers because these hangers are different and I'm gonna put them in my closet. All that's gonna be left here are my outerwears. Well, this rack is now finished, organized, color coordinated, as you can see. Easy to get clothes. And now, let's go to BGC. To the vlog. Oh my gosh.
Hi vlog.
Great time. What's up?
Wait lang po, ma'am. Yuck. Oh my gosh. Why?
Hina ako pala. It's been your girl, Marga Cortez.
Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and watch your other videos.
Click here, click here, click
Click here, click here.
here, click here.